with the drawstring band in the back, being able to tighten and loosen the cap, it just keeps everything on your head just so secure, tight, where you don't have to use glue. This is like I said, this is a completely glueless wig, but you don't have to worry about it coming off your head easily. You can be secure during the day, take it off at night, and then pop it right back on in the morning. A huge shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. If you want to see how I got this look and details about this hair, stay tuned. Guys, I was just showing you guys how this hair can be put in a bunch of different hairstyles. You don't have to wear it the traditional way like how I am, but this is how I like my hair. I like it big, curly, just bust down in the middle and letting the curls pop. So this is Nadula's 24-inch water wave hair. It has 7x5-inch lace. It has the bye-bye knots. I did not have to do anything to this lace at all. Usually I put a little bit of powder around the edges or a little bit of powder inside the lace. Did not have to do that. I love that it came with 2 different tones of a wig cap. I used the one that was closer to my skin tone. I did not have to do anything, y'all, and this is still a completely glueless wig. I did put a little bit of melting spray on the edges. I put the lace band on. The band stayed around the edges for about 20 minutes. I did put mousse, water in the hair, and that is it. The curl pattern still looks gorgeous, even though I've manipulated the hair, putting it in different hairstyles. It still looks gorgeous. All of the details will be down below. The link straight to this unit will be down below as well. You guys check them out. You need a beautiful, full, thick, curly Nadula wig, y'all. I absolutely love this. I have a trip coming up soon. This will definitely be coming on vacation with me. So once again, a huge shout out to Nadula for sending me this beautiful unit. You guys check them out.